The selling USP of the courtyard is it's ready. The people can see live amenities, live construction, live flats which they would look to book.
It's a product of Vadhva and Narang reality. So being an ex-Narang, I definitely would love to work with Gopal Saab, the Gopal Narang, Mr. Gopal Narang, who is the MD of this company, and it's a pleasure working with them.
Of course, reputation of the developer, the openness, the fact that we have layouts ranging from 2-bedroom apartments to 5-bedroom apartments, the way the amenities have come up in this project since the inception. We have been tracking the project, and that's what brought us here.
They have a very variation in their carpet areas. Like they have the Jodi options, they have 5 BHK duplex flats also, which customer can get into their customization of their apartments. Secondly, they have the open space, like they have the back hill views, and they have very good open space in the amenities wise, like clubhouse and everything. So as per that.
The ambience is important, the product is good, quality is good, floor plan, open space, and basically the location.
Strength of the project has been the openness, the quality, the developer repute, and hence we have tasted success in this project.
They don't get into the sales first. Firstly, they understand the requirement of the customer, what they want to. After that, we get into the pricing part. They don't tell customer like that we have to close right now.
Doing business with Courtyard sales team is a very good experience. You come with the customer, and I feel then you forget everything, because they will take care of the rest. Approaching them, showing them the complex, showing them the clubhouse, and giving them all the informations related to the product end to end. So you can say from A to Z, everything is handled by sales team in a very smooth manner.
Team Reap and Team Courtyard, their synergy really matches.
Their approach has been very professional, very experienced, and we have been able to structure number of transactions together, and hence we have tasted success for both the companies, and we are happy to continue doing the same.
Getting the brokerage is not at all a problem. Whenever we have submitted the bill, I think within maximum 10 to 15 days, our check is getting realized. So that's not a problem.
Even in lockdown, just all the transactions that we had closed just before the lockdown, we got the payouts on time and when it mattered the most. So this has been the strength of and the good point about this entire group.
Client who come out of the project, they always feel like they have seen the reality of the project. Always one of the customer, they want to see the real what they are getting right now. So they are in trust, like I'm getting the same carpet area which they have shown. So they are feeling like the project is good.
Most of the clients have shortlisted the projects and they consider this to be amongst the top 5 projects, and we echo the same sentiments with them.
Customer is very happy with the ambience, with the floor plan, with the amenities, clubhouse, swimming pool. The moment they enter in the complex, the first factor is wow.